Hi, I'm Johnny MacLeod here, and I'm here with the next episode of What's Happening in Lambertville and Temperance. And we're here with Carter Johnson with the Atlas Energy Group. So welcome, Carter.
Good day. How are you doing?
Good. We're here to talk a little bit about the solar and solar industry. And so, Carter, tell us a little bit about what you do in your business.
Oh, okay. Well, Atlas is we provide solar as well as we do mechanical systems. Our basic job is to go in and look at people's facilities, mainly commercial, industrial, and large manufacturing facilities. And we do energy analysis and audits to help them determine how much they would like to spend on bringing their building up into an energy efficient facility. We do solar on the roof as well as on the ground. We design the mechanical systems for electrical, plumbing, HVAC, where they request. And we do geothermal up to 5 tons through partners. A lot of our, if you need engineering drawings, we do engineering drawings. We do cogen systems. As a matter of fact, cogen you can get for home or for business. They do have systems for both. And we also have a wind partner that we use.
Okay. So tell me a little bit about what's the benefits for the end user with your products that you guys do.
Well, once we've determined how much energy can be saved, we give a report. And that report will help them determine how much of that savings they want to pay for. So as we go in your building, we're going to look at the lighting, of course, is one of the first things. We try to find those elements that are easy first, usually lighting. We look at your HVAC systems. We look at your plumbing systems. Those things that you get a utility bill of some kind for that usually have, like Columbia Gas, will pay for upgrade of the furnace. The electric companies will pay for upgrade of certain appliances and equipment. So those are the things we look at first before we even look at the solar part, because we want to make you as energy efficient as we can before we even start talking solar.
So what's the long-term return on investment on average for a small building or maybe residential? I know you do kind of all different scales there of stuff.
Well, we don't do a lot of residential. We do mainly commercial, but generally most of our clients are looking at a 5 to 7 year payback on their projects.
Okay. Anything else important that message-wise that why we should use solar power versus traditional energy sources?
Well, solar is another tool. It's not that every facility requires solar.
Okay.
Our job is to look and see what that facility needs. Like sometimes I can't put enough solar in to help a facility. When they have a very high electric rate and a small property footprint or roof with a lot of HVAC on it, solar may not fit that bill, but a cogeneration system may fit that bill and help them, because what cogen does is I'm going to use natural gas to make that electricity that they need. Plus with cogen, then if they have a process that requires hot water, I have hot water that they can use for their process. So we look at those systems based on what the particular facility is and how those systems can benefit, whether it is solar or a different type of generating system.
Okay. So your ultimate end goal is really to make things more energy efficient and reduce
Yes,
energy consumption.
exactly.
Okay. All right. Well, Carter, tell us a little bit about yourself, I guess, is how you got into the business and what do you do for fun outside of business?
Well, you know, I got into business probably 2010. I left the engineering company where I was at. I've worked for a lot of the larger mechanical contracting firms. I've worked for Dunbar's, I've worked for Campbell's, VM Systems over the years. I worked for AC&S when they were in business. They were an asbestos contractor, so I designed insulation systems for them. And then I went to work for SSOE in Toledo for about 31 years. So I enjoyed all those projects and working with all the people from those different companies. What I do for fun now is I write a little bit. I work pretty much out of a small office over at the University of Toledo, and I Facebook. I put history on Facebook for my family and friends, and I have different patents that I'm working on ideas with. That's kind of my fun thing. As I have time, I put a little time into my patent work.
Okay. Well, great. If anyone's looking to know more information about the solar industry or learning to how to make your buildings more energy efficient, give Carter a call. His contact information will be in the comments below or on the webpage. Thanks, Carter.
All right, anytime. You just give me a buzz.
Will do.